What's up, guys? I just got some stuff on Amazon. One of them is actually a glass screen protector that I just bought for my LG V10, and I paid about $8 for it. So, the packaging is pretty nice. Nice cardboard material. Disregard that sound. It's just some. What the fuck? Somebody cutting metal, I suppose. Like down the street, but it's whatever. So, this is a PlayStation screen protector. Slim, elegant, stylish. 9 hardness on the scale. It's clear and crisp. Scratch resistant. Doesn't get any, fingerprints supposedly. And I like it because supposedly it has 2.5D rounded edges to give it that nice rounded feel. So this it's not like a sharp feel when it ends. And I like it because it actually covers the whole part of the phone of the V10, including where the camera goes. Because most of them don't even cover that. But it's a really nice looking box, I'd say. Pretty sturdy. It's got a little soft material. My God, everybody just decides to make fucking noise outside today. So I might just open it up real quick. I don't think I can do it with one hand. Last time I tried to do something with one hand, I slashed my hand open. So let me just go ahead and pause it real quick. Okay, so I got it open and just some instructions. Class premium. And wow, this is some really nice presentation. Look at that. Simplify your life. Wow, these guys are serious about their presentation. And there it is. I'm not sure if I can get it out with one hand. Oh, yeah, there we go. It comes with, what is it? Okay, so a cleaning dry wipe and a cleaning wet wipe. One of each. Dust absorber, so you place this on your screen and have it take out all the, crap. Installation and use, even though there's instructions right there. I don't know. It doesn't hurt to have multiple, Okay, so this is like a visual guide too. I mean, so is that one, but And here it is. It's actually a nice one. It's pretty sturdy, man. It feels like I'm gonna break it, but I doubt it. And I just took it out right there. As you guys can see, this is where the cameras go. So it's actually covering literally everything. It leaves no spot empty on the screen. That's why I got it, because it actually had, and most of them only have they only go to like right there. So yeah, it's really nice feeling, and I can see the curve right there. Kind of hard to see out here because it's low light. As you guys can see, sunset's going down. But I'm gonna go ahead and just put this back since I really can't install this on my V10. Well, I can, but I'm using it to record this. So I don't think I'll show the installation. I mean, all you gotta do is just like wipe your screen and just put it on. So that's pretty much it. Nothing to it. And secondly, I got some headphones because the ones I had, the Symphonized, they got caught in my car door and they got fucked up. And on top of that, they've gone in the washer like 6 times, and I'm surprised it held out that long. But they blew out finally, because that was some serious abuse for them to last that long. So I went and got some Airspu. What's that say? Wehizing electronic. I can't even say that right now. I don't know. I'm really sick right now. But really nice box for what I paid. I'll let you guys know how much I paid once you guys see the headphones. You guys will definitely be surprised. It says enjoy it. We'll see if I enjoy it. So let's see where I can open this. I'm guessing. Oh, okay, so it looks like you just like slide it off from the top. Okay. So I guess I do have to cut it open. Let's go ahead and pause for a sec. Okay, so I got that box. It was a pain in the ass to like squeeze out because it was like really, really packaged well. It still is. And look at that. Wow, they come with a lot of extra tips. Again, presentation is very nice. You have this foam material holding everything in place. I'm guessing this is a case. Nice feeling case. And underneath it, I don't think we have the headphones. Oh, so this is a two-part. Okay, no, guess not. That's just the user guide. I'm guessing the headphones are inside. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. Everything's so hard to do with one hand. Okay. And there they are. Look at that. Holy shit. Wow. It's nice. Look at that. They look really nice. Oh, it's got a nice little zipper slash Velcro holder. That's nice. That's a nice touch. Can't get it out though. And I just dropped a little rubber spot over there. I'm using manual mode to focus though, because I don't know, it just looks better in my opinion. So if it's blurry sometimes, disregard that. It's because I'm not focusing by myself. Because I can control the video live on my phone. Okay, so look at that. They look really nice. So it's the wires are braided in the inside, and on the outside you have this soft, rubbery feeling cable. Do the headphones metal? Yes, the headphones are very, very lightweight, but they are actually made of metal. I'm not really sure what kind. Maybe aluminum, I'd say. Let's see if I can focus that. Where's my fucking manual focus? There it is. Here it is. There we go. High res. There we go. High res. They look really nice. Look at that. Looking badass. Materials are really good on this. And yeah. That's my headphones that I bought. Gold plated. And everything. Okay, so you guys are probably thinking, wow, those look like some fucking $100 headphones. But no. I actually paid for the headphones $13. I swear, believe it or not, $13. Now, I don't know what they sound like. That's going to be for my tests later when I test them. But for now, this is just an unboxing so you guys can see. They look really, really nice and high quality. Like I said, very lightweight, but they are definitely metal. Really nice cable. They look more expensive than they really are. Came in this really nice presentation. Oh, I forgot to mention, has a microphone and a power to, push, pause, play button that's a red rubber. So it looks really cool. It stands out. It's got a picture like of a phone, like if you're hanging it up. So yeah, really nice. So that's just my unboxing of my tempered glass and my headphones I bought. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave both in my description on Amazon. I'm stuttering. But yeah, I'm off to test them out, see what they sound like. It's getting kind of cold out here. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a good day, and peace.